Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. They have a gorgeous 1963 Corvair. This one's in exceptional shape. The previous owner was a engineer by trade and really coveted this car. This one's finished in Polymer red, the black interior, and the first one I've ever seen with factory air conditioning. Beautiful shape, brand new tires, brand new battery, runs and drives absolutely fantastic. I think it's very original, only because of the body panels, the fitment of everything. Just such a cool car. Definitely lives on as a cult classic. I think they made a little over 100,000 of these cars in the day. The tail lights look like a little reminiscent of tail end of a jet. That's what they did back then. It looked like a jet or an airplane, you know. Beautiful chrome and stainless. It's pretty well optioned for the day too. Padded dash. Some other cool stuff. Headlights have been also upgraded. You can see how nice the stainless and everything is on this car. Polymer red. It's like a rich burgundy. Corvair is actually derived from Corvette and Bel Air. Cool. The original owner's manuals, brochure, some other stuff here. Shop manual. Some other information. The gentleman was in the Corvair Club. Beautiful sills. I think even these vents are upgraded to chrome. Retro sound. Look at this air conditioning unit. I've never seen anything like that before. It actually blows cold. A little over 66,000 miles on this car. Very unique. Very different. And it won't break the bank either. Seat belts. Plenty of room for the kids in the back. Very nice. Some upgraded gauges too. Looks like RPM and volts. Fires right up, man. I love the selector lever too for the transmission. Very neat. 66,710. I would say that it's real. These seats look original too. Either that or they're perfect reproductions. And look at this air, man. Oh my god, you wouldn't believe it. Folks. It feels like it works. Never seen one with air. Cool padded dash. Dash tray. Feels like it's working. It's got the original General Motors Frigidaire unit. There she is. It's a bigger or more horsepower motor too. Man, look how they lay the condenser right on the top. That is cool. Trim tag, paint 948. Actually, that's Polymer. Put this in condition. Brand new battery. Of course, collector owned and always on a tender, ready to go. Oh my god, look at that shock bar. Pretty cool. Oh, the numbers in the corner too. Oh, they're on this side as well. 527, 527. Very cool. Man, it's such a cool car. Even's got the 63 plate back here. It's got that cool sound. It's a Boxster motor. It's a horizontally opposed Pistons. Sounds like a Subaru or Volkswagen. Cool car, man. Definitely unique. Love it. Bigger motors of a Monza 900. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Another cool piece. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. Probably shot about 200 photos today. weebeautos.com. Thanks a lot.